Okay, Google, I have a headache.
Let me dim the lights.
Thanks, that would help. In this video, I'm gonna go over my ultimate home automation system. Everything I did to make my house a smart home. In this corner, I'm gonna put everything you need to have to duplicate the command that I just gave, including the apps and the products. Below this video, there will be links to every single product I have listed in this video. Okay, Google, set living room lights brightness to 20%. To control your lights, you can use smart light bulbs or smart dimmer switches. Okay, Google, set living room lights brightness to 100%. Smart bulbs tend to do more tricks, and smart dimmer switches tend to be more practical. Okay, Google, set living room lights to daylight. This changes the light color to a more cool tone. Okay, Google, set living room lights to moonlight. If you pay attention real closely here, the lights get more warm or yellow. Okay, Google, turn off living room lights. For this command, you need a smart bulb, and you can't do this with just a switch. Okay, Google, turn on downstairs lights.
I'll turn them on.
Here, I use the Stringify app, so one command cascades to a bunch of different operations. In this case, it turns on a lot of different lights. Okay, Google, turn off kitchen lights.
You got it.
My kitchen lights are all on a dimmer switch, not smart bulbs. Okay, Google, set living room light to on. My living room lights are all smart bulbs and not smart dimmer switches. Okay, Google, turn off Fireplace. This is one of my favorite tricks. Okay, Google, turn on the fireplace. And it took finding the right switch to make this fireplace work. Okay, Google, close the garage door.
Gotcha.
Now let's fast forward. Most current garage doors can be modified with a product I have listed below. This device does not require a hub but runs on its own app. Okay, Google, lock the front door. I have it set up so my voice can only lock the door. Otherwise, breaking in would only take yelling into my home to unlock it. Okay, Google, turn on the entry lamp. Some people use motion sensors for stuff like this. There are just too many exceptions, and so it always turns on when I don't want it to. Okay, Google, tell PetNet to feed my dogs 1/2 cup.
Okay, I'm feeding CORBELLE 1/2 cup.
Normally I have the feeder set up on a timer, but sometimes I like to use the voice as well. Okay, Google, set downstairs thermostat to cool. There are better thermostats than this, but this one came with my home and it voids the warranty if I change the thermostat. Okay, Google, set downstairs thermostat to 80 degrees. I had to fast forward the corner screen you see here, so it's not actually in real time. I will link the better ones below. Alexa, tell Dbot to start cleaning. Smart vacuums take a bit to get used to, but we love the daily clean.
Okay, now your D-Bot is cleaning.
Alexa, tell Dbot to stop cleaning.
Okay, your D-Bot has stopped.
Alexa, tell Dbot to return to charging. This takes a minute, so I'll fast forward, but Dbot always returns.
Okay, now your D-Bot is charging.
Here I used Alexa. I love Alexa for certain things, like speakers. However, Dbot will soon be completely compatible with Google Home. Okay, Google, turn on the TV.
On it.
If you don't have a current smart TV, you need a specific hub to do this command. And this following command right here is why I mainly use Google Home. Okay, Google, play ESPN on Master TV.
Alright, playing ESPN from YouTube TV on Master TV.
I am able to navigate and channel surf with my voice on YouTube TV. I can't do that with Alexa yet. Okay, Google, Rewind 30 minutes.
I like the voice-controlled rewind and fast-forward feature better than TV remotes.
Okay, Google, set Master TV volume to 70%.
Once there was an organ.
Okay, Google, watch ABC on Master TV.
I can channel surf by saying the channel or by saying exactly what I want to watch.
Okay, Google, watch the Warriors basketball game.
Sure.
Obviously, this makes me very happy.
YouTube on Master
No more
TV.
trying to find the channel a program is on. Just say the name of the program.
Okay, Google, turn on Stranger Things on Netflix on Master TV.
All right, Stranger Things from Netflix. Playing on Master
You can even
TV.
tell it a certain season or episode to play.
Okay, Google, I have a headache.
Let me dim the lights.
I use the
Thanks,
IFTTT app
that will
here
help.
for the unique request that I gave, and then Stringify dims, turns off, and yellows the lights, optimal for when I have a migraine.
Okay, Google, set the mood.
Ooh la la.
Once again, IFTTT sets the unique response, and then Stringify turns on the lights and starts the fireplace if it isn't already on, like it was
Okay,
here.
Google, play Have You Ever Really Loved a Woman on Spotify on
Would you
Master.
like that to play on Master TV?
Yes.
All right, Have You Ever Really Loved a Woman from Spotify.
You can also get smart speakers, or Alexa and Google Home have really good sound too.
Okay, Google, we're leaving.
See you later.
Once again, the IFT app sets the response. Then I have Stringify set a timer to give enough time to leave through the front door, then the door locks and everything turns off behind me. In case I leave in a car, I don't have it close the garage door. The possibilities are endless, but you can make it do what makes sense for you. For example, I have it set up so my specific doorbell camera turns on the porch light when it senses movement, but only during the nighttime. But you can have it turn on an entryway light or play a welcome song or whatever you want it to do.
Okay, Google, time for bed.
You rest. I will turn everything off.
The last thing I want to do in life is lock the door and turn everything off when I'm tired. So this is my favorite command. Alone, this is worth it. All the products are linked to below this video, and I will answer your personal home automation questions below. Come back if you need specifics on what I used. Subscribe to me or my wife's makeup channel and like this video.